back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is a channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, thank you so much for all the love you showed on my black tie Christmas tree. I absolutely love it, and you guys did as well. It is so modern, so sophisticated. Again, not the norm, and that's what I always tell you guys. Think outside the box. Don't follow everyone else in the herd. Be your own cow or be your own boss. So yeah, I love the tree. I'm glad you guys love it as well. So in today's video, we are going to be continuing my Christmas decorating series, and we are going to be decorating my entryway. So since the tree is the wow statement in the lounge along with the deer, we are going to be keeping the entryway really simple, but still very modern and very unique. So if you want to see how I'm going to decorate the entryway, just make sure you keep watching. And I'm sorry, you see the reflection. That's my glitter disco balls. I've tried moving them around, but you know, the sun, I finally have sun. You guys know I love to film in natural light, and I haven't been able to have any natural light. It's been so gloomy, but now we got sun. But because of my mirrored disco balls I have around here, you see a little reflection on my face. It's like giving me a little glow. So anyway, don't mind that, but now we're going to start decorating the entryway. We're going to come in with some coffee table books. So I love to use my Tom Ford coffee table books, and because this cabinet is dark, I like to use the white Tom table. And because this cabinet is dark, I like to use the dark Tom Ford coffee table book. So we're going to start with that. Then we are going to bring in this vessel. This vessel is a DIY. This is a vase that I picked up while thrifting. You guys know I love to thrift. So we're gonna set that here. And then we're going to go in with some Norfolk pine stems. These came from Kirkland's. Very affordable at just $10, $9.99 a piece. So we're going to stick these in and style them. Give it a really drapey look. Then we're going to come in with, hold on. You guys remember my acrylic nutcracker that I picked up from Walmart? I set him here when I first got him, and I love the way he looked here in the entryway. So we are going to put him back, and then we're going to bring in all right, to go along with our acrylic nutcracker, we are going to be bringing in these decorative boxes with our diamond and pearl theme. I think these will look perfect here in the entryway. Very simple yet classic. So we're going to add that. And I am loving the way this is looking. I think it looks so nice. And then I think I want to bring in a bowl with some baubles. All right, so I have this little white bowl that I picked up from H&M Home. So we're gonna set it here, and we're gonna add in some ornaments. We're just gonna scatter them around to tie in with the other elements that we have going on in the lounge. So, like the way that looks, so let's take a closer look. All right, so this is how the entryway is looking. Again, very simplistic because we don't want to compete with the lounge. It is our statement piece. So now we're going to decorate this area. All right, so here is our tin. I tried to spray paint it and the spray paint wasn't drying. I think it might be too cold. So then I decided to go over it with some black acrylic paint, which is what you see here. I don't know, I kind of like the texture that it's given the tin. So now we are going to create our drum. And I just did a rudimentary shape here. This is some white felt. I'm going to cut this out, and then we're going to add this to our drum, and hopefully it'll look okay. All right, so we are just going to cut out our little So here's our shape, and when we open it up, this is how our shape is looking. And we're going to stick it on to create our drum. And I think I'm going to trim this up a bit. This is a little wider on the bottom than I wanted it to be. All right, so there's our shape. And never fails, I always get paint on myself. Okay, so take this off. And bring this over here. And we're going to take our shape, and it's not exactly exact. The 2 points don't line up, but we're going to make it work. Alright, so here's our shape, and I think I need 4 of them. See that? One is up. Yeah, so we make 2 more, and then we'll come back and start putting it together. Alright guys, so this is how our little DIY drum pedestal has turned out. It's not perfect by any means, and I'm sorry I did not film putting it together. It proved to be, and we've lost our pearl already. It proved to be a little more difficult than I anticipated, but we got it together. I'll go ahead and add our pearl back on. Again, to go along with our diamonds and pearls theme. We got a bunch of glue strings we need to get rid of, but this is how it's looking, and I am pleased with it. So leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. Now let's put our nutcracker together. Alright, it's that time of day where we are losing the light already, unfortunately. But here is our base, and then here is our nutcracker. Can you see him? Look how cute he is. So cute. So I am going to, all right, so this is where we are. I've put on the black tie to this little nutcracker. This is how he looks. I need to touch up his paint, but I'm not going to do that this time. We'll get it next time. Can't really tell that it needs a touch up anyway. But this is the tie, and we've decorated with some ornaments with the tie. I think he looks so cute. So there's the drum that we did, our DIY drum, to go with this one to make this one a little bit taller. And I absolutely love it. Now we need to give him. All right, so I have strung some ornaments on this string. The string I just keep from gifts and stuff that I get, because I know it'll come in handy later. And then this is a piece of fabric that I have cut to create our black ties around the house. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this around our nutcracker's neck. I want it to hang a little bit because the tie is going to be up here, and then I just take it, make sure it's even, fold it over, and then just tie a bow tie. And then I want these to be in the front, so then I'll just put the tie a little behind. And let's pull this up a little bit. And there we are, 2 little cute nutcrackers ready for their black tie debut. Love it. guys, so here's how our little nutcrackers have turned out, and I think they are so adorable. Perfect for my black tie theme. They're so ready to go to the black tie party for Christmas. And this is the rest of our entryway. So nice. Again, I apologize for the lighting. It's that time of day, but I think they look so cute. I am loving how this is coming together. Next, we are going to decorate this area here in the entryway. So this is as you first come in, and this is down as you walk down the hallway. So I love it. I absolutely love how this is coming together. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. All right, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed today's DIY and Christmas decorate with me. I hope it has inspired you to think outside the box. You can make your home look so glam and luxurious all on a budget. You don't have to go out and spend a whole lot of money, and that's what I try to teach you here on my channel. So if you have enjoyed today's video inspiration and it has inspired you, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury Christmas decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, let's take one last look, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.